man. Good morning. First thing in the morning, you spend all your money on food. Look at that.
Always reasoning with my purchases.
Man, you can eat at home, man. Save money.
I could, but I'm thirsty now.
Today we're gonna try to catch some bass. We finally got somebody out of the house today. I'm gonna let you guys guess. Guess who got out the house? Oh. We got him out the house today, guys. Back in the Florida Everglades. Look at that. Look at all that land. Watch out, man. Get out the shot. Show 'em, guys. Yep. Oh, yep. There's a gar. Got a gar. Let's see if I can get him up here. I need some assistance. Fish got off the hook. I lost it because I called you for help to lift it over the railings. But the fish is gone. The camera's on. The camera can hear me. They see the fish. The fish was caught. I say, hey man, need some help. Lift this over the railings. So it gets off the hook. What do? You run off to your bag, grab a lube or something. I don't know what you was doing. Man, this is bull. I got a fish, real. Slow, take your time with it. There you go. Real. Yeah, that's a fish right there, man. Woo! Oh, you got a bowfin. Oh, wait, hold on. Take a break. Man, you got a nice bowfin, Isaac. I never caught a bowfin before. Hold on. There you go. Nice fish, Isaac. Nice fish, man. Look at that bowfin, man.
Oh, yeah.
I never caught one of these before.
Nah, he's big.
More than that. Push him around. He's off.
Bowfin though.
Man, calm down. You only caught one fish.
Bowfin though.
Calm down. You only catch it. You ain't like.
What'd you catch?
I had a fish. I had a gar. Yeah, what'd you catch? What'd you catch? Anybody see him catch anything? Yeah, he catch nothing.
Yeah. Bowfin ready.
All right, guys. So, as of now, Isaac caught something today.
Yep.
I had a gar. We'll get back to him. So we'll go to a new spot, and when we get there, we'll let you know how it goes. All right, guys. So I got a plan. In order to win, I gotta go with my dealer. What's going on, man? What you got on there? You got it for me? There you go. I got the stuff right here, guys. Wanna see? Look at that. Got the stuff right here. It's like good stuff. It's illegal right here. This is you can catch a whole bunch of stuff with this. It's illegal. There you go. Isaac's on a roll today. Isaac's on a roll today, man. Hold it up for the camera, X.
Oh my god, look where I hit him that too.
You got him right on the top of the head.
Yeah.
Oh, Isaac on a roll today, man. You're on a roll. Hold him up. Man, you doing good, man. Yeah, look at that.
What you traded tonight?
You want to release him? Oh, good fish, man.
Man, oh man. Woo! What do you got the shave for? You're shaving, bro. You're shaving.
You're catching the most fish today. You beating me, you beating Eric's. How you doing this, man?
Yeah. Still like a skunk somewhere.
I didn't get skunk. Eric's
Skunk
got skunk. I didn't get skunk.
I ain't getting skunk today. The day's not over.
We have an hour left, guys. It's almost 12. Eric needs to land something. I need to catch a fish fully. He's hit land. This man's 2 nice fish today, so I guess I'll work on that.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. A bowfin, man. Woo! Oh, that's a bass. You got a largemouth.
Oh, it is.
Largemouth. Go down. I got the rod. There you go.
All right.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, man, hold him up. Woo! Man,
Nice 1 pounder.
good job, man. Hit that. Yeah, cause
I was gonna catch
yeah,
nothing.
I thought you weren't gonna catch nothing. Isaac, can you do me a favor? Can you reel in my rod? So you can screw up Eric's. There you go. There you go. What you got? Hey, oh, that's big. What is that? A bowfin. Yeah.
That's a bigger
Walk, walk him down. Walk him down. Just follow him. Follow him. Go over. Go over. There we go. Got a nice bowfin, man. Yeah, man. There you go. Nice bowfin, man. Nice fish. Nice fish. All right, he's off. Yep. There you go, man. Tight your drag. Tight your drag. There you go.
Oh, you lost it.
You lost it, or you still there? Damn. What was that?
Alright guys, to recap this, we skunked the smacks out of Chris. He lost with a bowfin, a bass.
I had a fish.
You lost.
Whatever.
All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright.